Hello, it's Crypto Farmer XD, and today I'm going to be showing you how to switch from Miner Wars into solo mining. To do this, it is super simple to do. All you got to do is log into your Gomining.com account and then click on the Miner Wars page. So you're looking at this page right here, and then you're going to click on your avatar in the top center of the screen. And then on this page, you will see that there is a switch to solo mining button. Click that, and you're good to go. You're going to be back into solo mining. You're no longer going to be participating in Miner Wars. Something to call out here. If you do play Miner Wars and you decide to leave midweek because the payouts are weekly on Tuesdays, if you won any rewards in that first part of the week that you are in Miner Wars, you're still going to get those paid out, so you're not going to lose anything. So any rewards that you won during the week are going to be paid out the normal Miner Wars weekly payout time, which is 12 p.m. UTC on Tuesday. Other than that, there's not much to say in this video, honestly. Simple as that. Miner Wars, avatar button, switch to solo mining, you're good to go. As a reminder, you can't be in both at the same time. You know, you might want to prefer solo rewards if you like more consistency and like to be more passive. You don't have to be more as more attentive to the Go mining platform. If you're doing solo, you kind of just know you're getting those rewards. Versus Miner Wars, it's a bit more risky, and you definitely have to be a little bit more active. You don't have to be, but you know it's preferred if you're gonna help out your clan. But that's pretty much it. If you thought this video was helpful, please go ahead and drop a subscribe, a like, and if you're interested, I do have a list of other platforms I used on the daily in the description that you might be able to play to earn a little bit extra money. Things such as Atlas Earth, Ember, and Chainers.io are three that I use on the daily. There's some referral links down in the description if you want to check those out. And if you're not in Go mining yet, go ahead and sign up with the link down below as well. I got a bunch of videos on my channel. Definitely help you walk through it. If you have any questions about Go mining, drop them down below. And I'll continue to assist in any way that I can. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Take care.